Is your iPhone showing cannot verify phone number at this time? Let's fix that. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open settings first. Go to General and then on Date on Time. Toggle off the Set Automatically option and make sure the time zone on the device is accurate to the location you currently are residing on. Next, go to Privacy and Security and make sure the location services are enabled. Now, go to General again and select Language and Region and click on Region and change the region according to where you currently are. I am in Nepal itself, so I will leave it as it is. You can just tap on any country and you will get the pop-up for changing the location. If it is still not fixed, restart your device by pressing the volume up button and the power button together. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.